What's up guys, welcome to yet another video from CashKaro, India's largest cashback and coupons website. Today I'm going to tell you how you can earn 75 bucks before you even shop, and I'm going to tell you how you can save money every single time you shop on Myntra, because with CashKaro you get more. Now with the method I'm going to explain to you in this video, you're going to feel like it's a sale on Myntra 365 days a year. But before I tell you anything, I want you to do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. So go on, hit that subscribe button. I'm not kidding, I'm not going to tell you anything till you hit that subscribe button, because we want to make more such videos for you and you've got to subscribe. Okay, so now let me tell you how CashKaro.com can help you save money on Myntra. Just follow the steps on the screen and I promise you that you will not regret it. The first thing you need to do is visit www.cashkaro.com and click on this orange join free button that you can see on the top right corner of your screen. You can join using Facebook or with your email ID, and it will only take a few seconds. Once you join CashKaro, just log in and search for Myntra in this search bar right here. Now you can see that on the top, this is the best offer on Myntra today. So right now we have a flat 1000 off coupon code for Myntra, and you get up to 6.5% CashKaro cashback. This offer might change in the future, but you always find the best Myntra deal on this page. In fact, if you click on the link in the description right now, you will land on this page, get a ₹75 sign-up bonus, and get the best discount deal along with extra cashback. So the next step for you is to click on this orange button that says See Coupons with Cashback. This will bring you to the screen where you can copy the coupon code and just click on the Visit Retailer button. That's it. You'll be taken to Myntra's website where you can shop and get up to 6.5% cashback. Once you've shopped, you can come back to CashKaro, open your account and see that your cashback has been added in pending status. If you don't return these products, your cashback status will change to confirm, and once you have ₹250 or more confirmed cashback, you can transfer this money to your bank account or redeem it as an Amazon or Flipkart gift card. So go on, click the link in the description and sign up right now so you get a ₹75 sign up bonus.